Today, let me talk about one of the important Scrum ceremonies. I see a lot of misconceptions around this activity, and that is daily Scrum. A lot of teams ask me, Niro, how can we make our daily Scrum effective? Here, I'm talking about 7 tips to make your next daily Scrum a great one. Ensure everyone understands what daily Scrum is. It's not a reporting meeting, not a status update meeting, but it's a planning meeting. Please stick to the time box. The main idea behind the time boxing is to focus on your meeting goals. Generally, 15 minutes is more than enough to serve its purpose. If you tend to exceed, find out why, fix it, or you may adjust the time box. Do a round robin to manage the time effectively. No leader or a chairperson for this meeting. Everyone waits for their turn. Once you speak, make it a concise update. No problem solving here. You may talk about your problems with others, but don't try to solve any problems during the meeting. Schedule offline discussions to resolve any problems figured during the meeting, and do so with the relevant group of interested people only. Do you call it the daily Scrum or the daily Stand-up? Technically, it is referred to as the daily Scrum, but your team may call it the daily Stand-up due to the common practice of people standing up during the meeting. Standing up is not mandatory, but may be a good idea to limit the talking. One another practice that greatly helped my teams is to review the BURNDOWN chart. Until you fix the BURNDOWN, you're not agile. BURNDOWN is the basic visualization which shows the progress of the team during the sprint. If it's a flat line, you run a mini waterfall within your sprint. Scrum Master may guide the discussion on the BURNDOWN. The last but not the least, do come up with any follow-up action items at the end of the meeting. Happy daily Scrum.